Hi everyone, welcome to a SRIX-AI tutorial on section customization. In this video, we will be discussing the multi-column section. A multi-column shows three side-by-side columns called cards, making it easy to showcase multiple related items in one section. Let's begin by changing the background color. When telling SRIX-AI how to build your store, it's important to follow the correct prompt structure, which we can see here. We start by defining the property, followed by the section, then the page, and finally the value, which in this case is a color. We give the prompt to SRIX-AI and can see that it has successfully updated the background color of the multi-column on the home page to our set value. So if we refresh our site, we can see that our change has been made. Next, let's customize the text color. Within the multi-column section, there are three text components: the title, the card title, and the card description. When we specify the text color property, we are changing the color of the card titles and descriptions. So, following the correct prompt structure, we change the property text color of the section multi-column on the page, home page, to a value. And let's make it orange. It was successful. Reload our site. And we can see that the card title and description color is now orange. To change the title text color, we simply specify the title color property. And again, this prompt follows the correct prompt structure. It was successful. Refresh. Oh, sorry. It was already white. Let's make it black. It was successful. Refresh again. And now the text color of the title has changed. Now let's change the text. Using the title as an example, say we wanted to change it to the best bar and grill in Canada. Using quotation marks here is optional. SRIX-AI understands the prompt with and without them. It was successful. Refresh. And now the title text has changed. We can do the exact same thing for the card title and the card description. All we would need to do is change the property we are specifying to card title or card description. Moving on, we can also change the button text, referred to as the button label. And in this example, I won't use the quotations. And SRIX-AI understands it just fine. Refresh. And we can see that our button label has changed. Next, we can change how rounded the corners are of the images and the cards. These are called, respectively, the image border radius and card radius properties. Let's customize the image radius. The value we use when customizing radius is a number. The higher the number, the more rounded the corners will be. Currently, we can see that the image is a bit rounded. Let's set it to 0, which means no rounding. The change was made. We reload. And we can see that the corners of all the images are now 90-degree angles, meaning there is no curvature. If we wanted to make the images more rounded, we can give it the exact same prompt. We just simply change the value. So let's say we set it to 75. Refresh. We can see how much more rounded the images become. And if we wanted this to be even more drastic, we could increase the value even more. And we can see that the images are almost a perfect oval. Eventually, we will reach a point where the radius cannot be any greater, which is around the value of 200. And again, we can do the exact same things for the card radius. The only thing different is that we specify the card radius property instead of the image border radius property. We can also change the images within the multicolumn. For more on this, please refer to the tutorial on image customization. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, our help center is linked in the description below, as well as a playlist with all the section customization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.